Most of us carry hidden parts of ourselves, emotions, memories, or traits we've learned to suppress. This is what Carl Jung called the shadow self. Instead of rejecting these parts, shadow integration is about meeting them with awareness and compassion. In this video, we'll explore meditation practices that help you integrate your shadow self and bring more wholeness into your life. What is shadow integration? The shadow self is everything we hide, repress, or deny. It includes emotions like anger, jealousy, fear, but also gifts like creativity or power that we've been taught not to express. Integration means bringing these parts into the light, accepting them, and allowing them to work for us instead of against us. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for shadow integration because it gives us the stillness and awareness to witness what's going on inside. Why meditation helps? Meditation slows down the mind so we can observe emotions without judgment. It creates space between us and our reactions, so we can see the shadow clearly instead of being controlled by it. Meditation practices for shadow integration. 1. Mindful observation. Sit in silence, close your eyes, and bring attention to your breath. As thoughts and feelings arise, instead of pushing them away, name them. Anger, sadness, jealousy. Say to yourself, I see you. I allow you to be here. This simple act of witnessing softens resistance and begins the integration process. 2. Shadow dialogue meditation. Visualize yourself sitting across from your shadow, a younger version of you, or a darker silhouette. Ask it, what do you need me to hear? Listen with compassion. Respond with kindness, as if you're speaking to a friend or inner child. This meditation builds trust and heals inner conflict. 3. Inner child shadow healing. Place your hand on your heart. Imagine meeting your younger self in a safe space. Say, I love you. I accept you. You are safe with me. Let your inner child express anger, fear, or pain. Hold space without judgment. This practice bridges past wounds and current awareness, helping your shadow feel seen. 4. Loving kindness, metta, for the shadow. Breathe deeply, then repeat. May I accept all parts of myself. May I bring compassion to my shadow. May I live in wholeness and peace. Send these words inward as light, wrapping even the darkest parts of yourself in kindness. Shadow integration is not about fixing yourself. It's about accepting yourself fully. Meditation creates the safe inner space, where you can meet your shadow and bring it into the light. When you do, you reclaim lost energy, deepen self-love, and step into wholeness. If this video resonated with you, give it a like. Share it with someone on their healing journey, and subscribe for more inner work practices. And let me know in the comments, what shadow aspect are you ready to meet with compassion today?